Okay, welcome all. So today's topic is black magic removal from buying your own cars. Now this topic is being picked by us because so many of you are having problems buying their own cars and vehicles. We're talking about cars specifically today here because it's directly connected with your planet Venus. And you have written to us, many of you, that despite of having the money also, these are two categories we'll take today here. One is people who do not have the money to buy the cars. And the second category is people who have the money to buy cars and yet there is some sort of a hurdle or a hassle coming in their ways that they are just unable to purchase a car. Yes, it sounds very silly and it sounds very dramatic that how is it possible if someone has the money, even then you're not able to buy your own car. So we are talking about black magic getting attached with you, done by any of your enemies just because he or she doesn't want you. Especially we are talking about luxurious cars here. Even the basic car sector, we are talking here that if any sort of a bad spell or any negative things are done on you, specifically on your name. See, we are talking here, it's not that the whole family will not have a car. No, your father can have, your mother can have, your sister can have, maybe one of you is unable to actually purchase a car for himself or herself. So then the question arises when everyone else is having a car in your own family, that then what is that reason that's holding you back of purchasing a car? Yes, if somebody has thought of this specifically, that we are putting a spell that you're unable to buy a car, this will happen, and this happens every time to us. At least 60 to 70 cases in a year comes for the conveyance problem that people are facing these days. What are the symptoms? The same symptoms that I just told you, that despite of having a money issue, you're unable to buy. How this happens? You go to a showroom, you select a model that yes, this is the model that I want, and something goes wrong, that maybe your registration is not happening correctly, or maybe your bank issues will start happening, whether it's about your loan. Sometimes your loan will not get approved because these days mostly people are taking cars on EMIs, and EMIs totally depend on the bank, again your credit scores and your so many other factors that banks have. Very few people are buying cars on complete one-time payment, which is there because there's so many expenses these days and billing cycles that you need to take care of. So any sort of reason will be created that ultimately the car keys will not come in your hand. The second category of people, like I mentioned, was about people who do not have the money to buy the car. Again, of course, when you will have the money to buy, and how will you have the money to buy if you're already a black magic victim? So a special spell or a special process is done negatively, that and mostly these are tamasic processes through which you will not be able to collect money for buying your own vehicle or car, and especially the basics that a human being wants, like you should have a comfortable conveyance or a four-wheel vehicle, would be far from your approach. So yes, many of you asked this question, that is it possible that through negative energy or through black magic negative processes this can be hampered or spoiled? Yes, my answer to this is directly yes, that if somebody has casted a spell on you or done some sort of an evil process against this, definitely this can be the reason. It's very much possible. It is not that it is not possible. Okay, so of course the remedy for it is that you have to get yourself diagnosed. You need to search onto this and find out and detect the problem, whether anything like this is there or not. We are not talking about people that if you are working hard and still you're unable to purchase, or your planets are going haywire. Whatever the reason is, the diagnosis will be done and it will be claimed in that yes, is it some sort of a black magic issue, some negativity issue, or what is it? Is it something to do with your Venus planet? Sometimes even there's a video on Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter YouTube channel, that sometimes your Venus is so much affected, and cars are directly linked with Venus, that needs an energization basis as per the degree of your horoscope or your placements. So that also needs to be checked. Several factors, but today we are only talking about as per the element of removal of black magic. So if anything like this is hampering you, you can always contact us for the diagnosis, and from there we'll take up the case and contact the team through Gmail, not phones, Gmail, I'm repeating it. That's about it. I'm ending this video right here. I'll see you next week with another topic. Till then, goodbye.